How to rename project files in Lovable. So in order to rename your project files, you first need to head over to lovable.dev and access the project that you have. I have in here this. So in here, I have my actual website, but I want to rename the project files and not the website itself. So to do this, you can head over and then click onto this tools. Go over right here to the code, and you can find in here all of the files that you have currently. Into this, I have in here this robots.txt. You can click on it, and then from in there, you can actually edit it if you have access. So you will have access if you're subscribed to a plan on Lovable that allows editing of the code you have. So as you notice right now, I have the read-only option, which means that I don't have access to edit it. So in order to rename the file, you need to go over and upgrade your plan into Pro or Business Plan, and from in there, you can edit the code as well as the files that you currently have on your Lovable. So that's how you name project files in Lovable. I hope this video helped you out.